with Jobfair Worldwide. My name is Mr. Snow, and today I'll be conducting the video portion of this assessment. This video will be viewed by our members as well as millions of our employers in our networking interface. At this moment, I will ask, do I have your permission to proceed?
Yeah, sure.
Excellent. Now today I'm going to ask you a few simple questions. All I need you to do is look directly into the camera and speak as loud and clear as possible so that I can accurately report your responses. Ready?
Yeah.
Please state your name, age, and nationality.
I'm Naheem Mohamed, 23 and Guyanese.
Excellent. Please tell us, how did you become interested in Jobfair?
I'm looking for an additional job money source, so I saw the ad in the newspaper and I went.
Okay. Do you have any special training or technical skills?
I'm a trained teacher in both English and maths, and I'm currently pursuing my degree in education.
Okay. Prior to coming into our office, you were asked whether or not you have basic computer experience using programs like Word, Excel, or Access. Your response to that was yes. Is that affirmative?
Yes.
Can you please indicate to us which programs you currently use and the purposes for which you use them?
Well, Word is basic, where I would do my assignments and prepare handouts and so on for students. I would normally use Publisher whenever we would have graduation and so on, and I would use it to create certificates, invitations, flyers, programs, and all other things.
Okay. Are you currently working in a computer-based environment?
Yes, but not around. I have my personal computer,
Okay.
so I'm around.
So
yeah.
it's wherever you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being horrible and 10 being the best, how would you rate your reading ability?
I would go up to like an 8.
An 8. All right. Can you please read this paragraph for us as it's written aloud?
As mentioned in the opening article, Gregory suffers from an anxiety disorder. My excessive worrying was out of proportion and out of control, he says. How did Gregory regain control? To get perspective, he says, I accepted the kind help of my wife and friends. I also sought professional assistance and learned more about my condition. After making some lifestyle changes, I began to feel that I was in control of my condition, not that it was in control of me. Although I still experience bouts of anxiety, I now have a better sense of what triggers them, and I know how to manage my disorder.
Excellent. Thank you. Can you tell me a little bit about what you just learned about the subject in that paragraph? Who is the subject?
Gregory.
Okay, and tell me what you learned about it.
He's having a disorder, and he didn't know about it, but then he was better informed, and he learned how to make better lifestyle choices and how to be better prepared for what's there.
Okay, what type of disorder did he have?
I can't remember.
Okay. All right, that concludes the reading portion. Okay, do you have a general understanding of math?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. You're a math teacher, right?
I don't really teach it because I'm mostly focused in the English environment. But yeah, I have some.
You like a substitute math teacher?
Yes, whenever there are spaces and.
Okay, so then this part is going to be easy for you.
Hope so.
All right. Now, by the way, before we go into it, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being horrible and 10 being the best, how would you rate your basic math skills?
Basic.
Basic.
As in
Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. No algebra, no nothing like that.
Okay,
just the basics.
I'll go to like a 9.
All right, cool. Now I'm going to ask you a series of second grade level math questions indicating the students of an age of 7 years old can actively answer these questions. You're going to be given 5 seconds to answer each, right? And I'm only allowed to state the question 1 time, so it's imperative that you pay attention, okay? Make sure that you speak loud and clear so that we can record your responses as well. All right, just tell me when you're ready to start, and I can start.
Yeah, sure.
All right, here comes the hard one. 120 plus 120.
240.
Excellent. 1,000 plus 8,220.
9,220.
450 plus 5,000.
5,450.
10,000 minus 5,500.
That would be 4,500.
40,000 minus 23,000.
That would be 17,000.
100,000 minus 0,000.
100,000.
12 times 12.
12. 144.
9 times 7.
63.
13 times 5.
65.
1,000 times 0.
0.
50 divided by 10.
5.
100 divided by 25.
4.
100 divided by 20.
5.
250 divided by 5.
50.
Congratulations. That's the end of the math portion right there. Excellent. Okay, told you it wasn't real super technical,
Yeah.
but would you believe that 80% of the Guyanese that is taking that test has failed?
Yeah, because the structure and the understanding and everything.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're currently employed as a teacher. Tell me a little bit about where and like
Okay.
what age group are you teaching as well?
Well, I'm strictly in the secondary. That would be from grade 7 to 11. I've taught at many different schools. I was in the interior for once. Dealt with different students at different level. So I kind of like have this code switching with our Creolese and the English just to adapt to students and get over stuff.
Okay. Were you ever fired from a job?
No.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested?
Nope.
Okay. 3 final questions for you. 1. Financially, what do you want to do with your life?
Financially.
Like as a career?
I am thinking about progressing as a teacher because I enjoy this whole process of learning and passing on knowledge and so on. But financially it's not working out, so that's why I'm seeking this other where, yeah.
Alright. Next. How much do you need to make a month to be comfortable?
To be comfortable.
Cover your expenses, allow you to save, and make you very happy at what you do.
I'm thinking maybe 200,000.
200,000 US dollars, so approximately 1,000 US dollars.
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, why should someone hire you?
Okay, because one, I have the skill, because I'm very hard working and committed to whatever I have to do. So if someone buys my skill, I'll be this committed individual who will work hard to get it over even before the due date, because that's how I work.
All right, excellent. Thank you very much. That concludes this portion of the assessment.